Hello and welcome to the Agent Survival Guide podcast. This is our series, Agent Apps. I'm your host, Tina Lamoureux. This series introduces you to apps that will make daily life and your business run smoother. From fitness, travel, to personal planners, and more, we've tested them all. If you need a break from scrolling through social media, this week I've got apps to make scrolling a little more intentional. I've talked about trying to make my time more intentional, and I think these apps will be helpful. So let's get into the apps. The first one we have is Blinkist. This app offers book summaries, podcasts, and content from different types of experts. If you don't have the time or the attention span to read or listen to multiple books at a time, you can listen to condensed summaries of popular self-help, family and relationships, marketing and business titles, and more. In these summaries, you get the key points of the book. As someone who loves reading books, I was a little adverse to the idea of these book summaries. But personally, I think it can be beneficial to learn the main points of a nonfiction book to see if I want to spend the time to read the whole thing. So I think of it as an in-depth book trailer. As mentioned, Blinkist also features original podcasts from topics like history and personal growth to science and comedy. Blinkist has a free and premium version. With the free version, you get a select number of content to choose from each day. With the premium version, you gain unlimited access to the library of content. Blinkist is available for free download on iOS and Android. Next, we have Pocket. This app allows you to save articles and videos from other apps for later. A lot of the time, I'll be on my Google News feed and see recipes and articles that I want to read later. So I will open them in a Chrome tab, but then I forget about them and end up with 40 tabs open on my phone. My phone definitely does not like this. Not only does Pocket save content for later, you can also follow different sources on the app. And you can listen to your saved news stories, blogs, and articles, making it easier to keep informed on the go. Pocket has a free version with ads, or you can pay for premium to go ad-free. Pocket is available for free download on iOS and Android. I hope these apps help you learn and be more intentional with your time. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for listening. We will see you next episode. The Agent Survival Guide podcast is a production of Ritter Insurance Marketing, an integrity company. This episode was written and produced by me, Tina Lamoureux. Script editing by Sarah Ruppel. Podcast design by Urban Rivera. Artwork by Vivian Zhao. Follow along with us wherever you like to listen.